Today, I'm introducing your English friend. Enjoy this video.
Hello friends, we are meeting here for the fourth time. I'm having a conversation with AK7DOLL. Hello AK7DOLL, I'm happy meeting you.
I'm also happy to meet you.
Address the audience.
Hey guys, for the people who haven't watched part 1, which you should definitely watch by the way, I'm AK7DOLL TV and I'm from the channel called AK7DOLL TV. So basically I'm doing a fourth collaboration with KonjaneramEnglish.
Doll, I'm going to ask you a few questions.
Alright, what are those questions though?
First, what is the doll that you hold in your hand?
Oh, this isn't a cooperate. This isn't a doll. This is a teddy bear, which almost every single human being on the planet knows.
Okay, by the way, what do you speak at home?
What do I speak at home? The first thing that I speak all the time is English. The words that I use are not that complicated compared to other people using very complicated words that I couldn't even understand. So English is the first language that I've ever learned. And then second is Tamil. Tamil is my mother tongue and I should have learned Tamil first. But no, God was like, let's make this kid different. So yeah.
Okay, with whom do you speak in English at home?
Oh, my mom, my grandpa, but sometimes with my grandma because she mostly knows Tamil. She speaks Tamil a lot, most of the time. And when I try to say something in English, she just kind of mispronounces it. She knows English, but she doesn't know how to pronounce some words. Not most of the words, though.
Okay, good. At what age did you start speaking in English?
Oh, 9 months.
My goodness, I couldn't believe it. How was it possible?
It's not possible, but my mom was like, let's put this in my memory. And she just told me oh, you spoke at 9 months old. And she didn't tell me what words that I said when I was 9 months old.
Okay.
Cooperate.
Do you feel comfortable speaking in English?
Sure. The words I use is not that complicated as I said before. So I'm very comfortable with speaking in English. Same with Tamil, but I don't know Tamil a lot. I'm just a beginner in it.
Okay. Hi Doll, I would like to know how comfortable you are conversationally.
Very comfortable. I actually wait for people to talk to me and start a conversation with me. Yeah, I'm that big of an extrovert.
Okay, fine. Extrovert?
Yeah.
My goodness. What are the long words, lengthy words that you use?
Oh, I don't use lengthy words. I just use short words. But sometimes if oh, hi, can you just say something long and I'm just going to be
okay, can you speak something about extrovert, introvert?
Extrovert is basically a person that's really social with everybody. That they just want to talk to everybody. They want to be friends with everybody. But with introverts, they want to be they want to think of their feelings. They want to take time to be friends with people that they don't know of. They mostly just like to be alone most of the time. But if they want to make friends, they have to catch their feelings, see how they act, if they're right for them or not.
Hello Doll, your explanations have been comprehensive, fantastic.
Thank you.
I never expected you would be able to speak so much. Okay, fine. It's time for us to leave. Okay, what's your kind suggestion to people who want to learn English fast?
Alright, to learn English fast and not take time is if you can't go outside and you're in a house but you're quarantined, make sure to Google can also help you from learning words, okay? You can just use your voice instead of typing if you're having trouble with learning English. But one of the apps I truly recommend is Reality. It's an anime type app which is you can create your avatar, okay? It's you can broadcast with people and join their lives, and it's like Discord but you can't show your face. You're just an anime character hi, I want to be a friend. So you can actually learn from those people who actually speak English and then you keep on improving your English. Yeah, so that's my suggestion for people who want to learn English quickly on the internet version.
Oh, simply superb.
Thank you.
Address the audience.
Alright, make sure to stay safe and healthy. Bye, love you all.
Hope you enjoy this video. Meet you in my next video. Bye everyone.